Hello students, I welcome you all in your online sessions, and as you all know, we are studying trigonometry for the 10th standard, that is chapter number 8. Already 4 video lecture has been uploaded. This is the 5th video lecture for trigonometry. And what we have studied? We have covered 8.1, entire 8.1 and related theory. We have studied the various angle, how 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree can be calculated in terms of various trigonometric ratios. Related to it, we have started exercise number 8.2 in video lecture number 4, where we have covered the question number 1, 3 questions, 2 questions were given as a homework. I hope you have got the answer. Now let us proceed from this point, and we are heading towards question number 2 of 8.2 of the 8th chapter, that is trigonometry, where we don't have to do anything extra. You must have that table of values with you, so that you'll be able to get the answer. Now, second question in your textbook, in your NCERT textbook, is going to be your MCQs, right? Like the first question for the second question is given as MCQ. They are asking that 2 tan 30 upon 1 plus tan square 30 is what? So let us solve it. 2 tan 30. I am giving the solution here. First solution. 2 tan 30. So 2 tan 30, the value from the table is going to be 1 by root 3. From the table you have to get the answer that tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Table I have already explained you. You don't have to cram it. You must know how to make that table. So 2 tan 30 is 1 by root 3 upon 1 plus 1 by root 3. That is the value of tan 30. But here square is there. So we have to put square as well. Right? So 2 into 1, 2 by root 3. That will give you 1 plus 1 square is 1, root 3 square will give you 3. Now, here people have the confusion a lot, right? So that 3, first you have to, because there are 2 terms are there, you have to take the LCM first. So 3 ones are 3, here 2 by root 3 will be there, and 3 ones are 3, 3 plus 1, 4 by 3 is there, right? 3 ones are 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 by 3. Now this 3 is the denominator of the denominator. This will go into the numerator, and that is the denominator of the numerator, it will go into the denominator. So what will get the final answer? 2 into 3 upon 4 into root 3. See, this 3 will go out in the numerator, and this root 3 will come into the denominator. 2 2s are 3 means root 3 into root 3. So 1 root 3 will be cancelled, and your answer is root 3 by 2. But the root 3 by 2 is not there in the option. So you must check that root 3 by 2 is answer of which trigonometric function out of this. Cos 60 is half, tan 60 is root 3, sin 30 is half from the table. So sin 60 will give you root 3 by 2. So that is going to be your answer. So your first answer, as we are getting the answer root 3 by 2. So from the table, which value correspond to this value, that is sin 60. So the first MCQ is having the answer sin 60. I hope the first solution is clear to you. Right? Now if I solve the second one, let us move to the solution number second. What is the solution number second is that 1 minus tan square 45. 1 minus tan square 45. Again 1 minus tan 45. From the table the value of tan 45 is 1. So 1, and because here square is there, so 1 square upon 1 plus tan 45. So 1 plus again 1 square. So 1 minus 1 square will give you 1, 1 plus 1 square will give you 1, 1 minus 1 is 0 by 2, and 0 by 2 is 0. So which option? Option number D will be correct answer. So that was quite simple. Now this is the third one. Sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a is 2 for which value of a? So you don't have other option other than trial and error, right? You are having 4 options. Try to put down the value, and you must have the table with you. For example, if I'm putting 0 here, so sin 2 into 0, sin 2 into 0, 0, and the answer of sin 0 is 0 from the table. From the table, sin 0 degree will give you 0. So if you are putting 0 in the LHS, you must put 0 in the RHS as well. So here 2 into sin 0 in the RHS. So sin 0 is 0, 0 into 2, 0. See. By putting this first value only, you are getting LHS equal to RHS. So this must be your correct answer. For example, if you would have kept 30 into the LHS and RHS, see what answer you would have got. So LHS would have given you sine 2 into 30. That is sine 60. And sine 60 is nothing but root 3 by 2. Right? And in the RHS was 2 sine A. What you kept as a 30. So 2 sine 30, 2 into a half. That would have given you 1. That 2 and 2 would have been cancelled and that would have given you 1. So root 3 by 2 and 1 are not equal. Similarly, if you put 45, then this will be different, this would be different. If you are putting 60, this would be different, this would be different. So only answer which is making your LHS and RHS equal, that is A equal to 0, so that is your correct answer. Let us move towards the last MCQ. Again same, 2 tan 30 upon 1 minus tan square 30. Let's solve it. 2 tan 30 upon 1 minus tan square 30. So I'll put 2, the value of tan 30 from the table is 1 by root 3 and 1 minus 1 by root 3 to the whole square. Right? Just solve it. 2 ones are 2, 2 by root 3, 1 minus 1 by 3. So 3 ones are, that 2 by root 3 will remain as it is. Divided by 3 ones are 3, that will go here. 3 minus 1, 2 by 3. So that 2 and 2 will cancel, this 3 will go on the top, root 3 will come down. So 3 upon root 3. Now you know that 3 is equal to root 3 into root 3. So 1 root 3 will be cancelled and answer will be root 3. Now root 3 corresponds to which answer? Cos 60, no, it is half. Sin 60, no, it is root 3 by 2. Tan 60, yes. The value of tan 60 is root 3 from the table and sin 30 is your half. So root 3 corresponds to which answer? Tan 60. So this is how you have to solve various MCQ. You must try 5 or 6 from the outside as well. So you must get the clear idea. Right? I hope you have covered this. I hope you have understood this MCQ part very well. Let us move forward of this exercise. Okay students, so question number 3 is there with you, and what does it say to you? That if tan A plus B is equal to root 3 and tan A minus B is equal to 1 by root 3, the summation of A plus B is in between 0 to 90 and A is more than B, then find out the value of A and B. Find out the value of A and B. So it's very simple, sir. Very easy, sir. Here, how we can solve here? Tan A plus B is equal to root 3, that is the given data to you. Now, whatever joined with your trigonometric function is always considered as a theta, as an angle. So, tan A plus B, this entire is an angle. So, ask yourself, what angle should I keep here so that tan of that angle will give you root 3. So, in place of A plus B, if you look at your table, in place of this A plus B, if you put 60 degree, that is tan 60 will give you root 3. So, if this equation is true, but obviously your value of A plus B is going to be your 60 degree. Equation number 1. Because if I replace A plus B by 60 degree, then it will become tan 60 and then and only then you will get the answer as root 3. Okay. Now the second given data is also there with you. Tan A minus B is equal to 1 upon root 3. Tan A minus B equal to 1 upon root 3. Same here. This is your angle A minus B. So there is some angle must be available which will give you your answer of the tan as 1 by root 3. So see the table. If you put in place of A minus B, if you put 30 degree, then only tan 30 will give you 1 by root 3. That is the equation number 2. So equation number 1 is there with you, equation number 2 is there with you. Just see, here plus B is there, here minus B is there. So just try to add it. Try to add both the equation. Why? Because if you add it, this plus B and minus B will eventually cancel out and you will get one of your answer. So what I write here? Add equation number 1 and equation number 2. So what is the equation number 1? Write it down. A plus B is equal to 60. A minus B is equal to 30. See, plus B and minus B will cancel out. A plus A will give you 2A. 60 plus 30 will give you 90. So A is equal to 90 by 2 and therefore A is equal to 45 degree. You got one of the answer? Now put 45 in any one of the equation of your desire. 1 or 2. So I am putting put A equal to 45 in equation number 1. What is the equation number 1? A plus B is equal to 60. I got A as 45, so I'll put it here. 45 plus B is equal to 60. B is equal to 60 minus 45. B is equal to 15 degree. That is the two required answers. See, A is greater than B, and we are getting A equal to 45 and B is equal to 15. That was quite important sum here. In place of 10, they can ask you any trigonometric function, but they will give you certain value which is having in the table. The degree must be there in your table. So you can find out in this manner, right? So now let us move to the last question of this exercise, that is true or false. So let's solve the true or false. So first true or false is what? Sin A plus B is equal to sin A plus sin B. Now, means they are asking you whether this equation is true or false. So I don't think so, because it must be verified for all the values. If I put A and B as 0, then I'll get the answer. See, A and B 0, sin 0, 0, sin 0, 0, sin 0, 0. So 0 plus 0, 0, 0 equal to 0. For one and only one value, this equation will be true, but no for other value. For example, 30 and 60. If you put 30 and 60, it will be 90. Sin 90 from the table, it is 1. Sin 30 is half. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2, which will never become 1. So answer is false. Because for every value of A and B, this equation can't be true. So answer is false. Yeah, the second question is sin theta is increasing as the theta increasing. Okay, you take the two values only, 0 and 90. From the table, sin 0, if you look at it, is 0, and sin 90 it is 1. So as it is theta is approaching towards 90, means if theta is increasing from 0, 30, 45, 60 degree, 90 degree, your answer the trigonometric functions are also going from 0 to 1. 0 to 1 is what? It is increasing. So yes, answer is true for this question. Now cos theta increases as the theta increases, same procedure. Let's take two angles, 0 degree and 90 degree. From the table, cos 0 is 1 and cos 90 is 0. So if theta is approaching from 0 to 90, means theta is increasing, but the value is going from 1 to 0. 1 to 0 means it is decreasing. So in the cos, if your theta is increasing, the value of cos is decreasing. So this answer will be false. This answer will be false. Sin theta and cos theta are equal for all theta. No, not at all. If I put sin 30, I'll get half. If I put cos 30, I'll be getting root 3 by 2 from the table. If I put 30 here, so I'll be getting 1 by 2 here and 1 by root 3 by 2 there. So means they are not equal for all theta. Yes, they are equal for one theta for your chapter. If your theta is 45, means sin 45, 1 by root 2, cos 45, 1 by root 2. So they are equal for one and only one value, that is theta equal to 45. They are not equal for all the value. So the answer is false. Cot A is not defined for A equal to 0. That is quite easy. Cot A, just put down, just check the table for the 0 value. Cot 0, yes, and cot 0 is going to be not defined. That is going to be your true answer. So that's it. We have covered the 8.2 entire theory, entire sum, right? In 4, this I think this is the 5th video lecture. So entire 8.2 is covered. Now in the next video, we will be talking about the complementary pair of the trigonometric ratios, and we will be solving 8.3. Till then, bye bye. Keep studying and take care of yourself.